Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing some new wheels on our E93 M3. So I love these wheels, but I think it's time to change it up again. So these are the wheels I got from Facebook Marketplace. These are Vorsteiner VFF 103. 9.5 fronts, 10.5 in the rears. Love the split spoke design, and they're very lightweight. So let's go weigh the rears. So these are the old wheels. These are ESR RF11, rotary forged. Let's go ahead and weigh them and compare the difference. .8. So there you have it. Both wheels are rotary forged, but for some reason the Vorsteiners are much lighter than these ESR rotary forged wheels. These ESRs right here are 26.8 pounds each, while the other ones are 22 pounds each. So much bigger difference when you have all four together. That's about a 16-pound difference of unsprung weight saved.
Yeah. I'm the man, boy. I'm the man, boy. I'ma always end up with the upper hand, boy. Shit don't know what's pan out, just the way I plan, boy. This shit work in ways that I can understand, boy. I'm the man, boy. I'm the man, boy. I'ma always end up with the upper hand.
Okay, so these are the new wheels, and I am very happy with them so far. It really fits the new theme of our car, which is black and white with some blue accents. They are quite aggressive, 19 by 9.5 in the front, 19 by 10.5 in the rear. We've got a nice concave look to them, as you can see in the rear. And also the fronts have a nice, decent concave as well. You can kind of see it right there. Not a lot of rubbing going on. Color matches the car perfectly. I am really a big fan of just the style and the aesthetic of it. I also love that they're super lightweight compared to our previous wheels. We're saving quite a bit of unsprung weight, and that in turn is just going to help acceleration and handling. Comment down below what you guys think. We'd love to have your feedback, and if you have any other wheels that you think would look great on our car, please also recommend them down below. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good evening.